Wheel spacers are an essential modification for off-roaders and performance enthusiasts. By pushing the wheels outward, wheel spacers increase the track weight, which enhances grip and reduces body roll. This is especially beneficial for an off-road SUV like the Leopard 8, improving control on rough terrains and during high speed. Good hub-centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub flank. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels. The safety of wheel spacers largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. If they are of low quality, improper fitted, or installed incorrectly, problems can arise while driving. These bonus wheel spacers for Leopard are made from high-strength aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 7075-T6, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles, unlike generic wheel spacers that may introduce vibrations. Bonus introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance, a significant advantage for track day enthusiasts. Bonus wheel spacers undergo over 73 strict SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. If you are looking to transform your performance and appearance, bonus wheel spacers are an investment you won't regret. Like, subscribe, and comment below.